Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2021 Honda CRF300L Rally, and today I'll show you how to replace the shift lever. The factory lever on this bike is still in new condition, but we'll be upgrading to a revolver adjustable lever that should feel better, look nicer, and have more grip. The installation process will be the same no matter what brand you got, and there really isn't much more to say than that, so let's get started. Here are the tools that I used for this job. Socket wrench, socket extension, 8mm socket, 10mm wrench, 8mm wrench, and a 5mm hex. For this job I also needed a magnetic bowl, medium strength thread locker, a rag, a rear stand, and a new shift lever. The tip of this lever can be removed and reoriented to fine-tune its position. And it looks like if you don't use thread locker on it, you're gonna have a bad time. There are links in the description for everything I used. At first glance, this looks like a 1-minute job, but the front sprocket cover has to come off before this bolt can be removed. It's held on with two 8mm bolts. The 10mm bolt securing the shift lever needs to be removed completely. Make note of the height of the old lever before you take it off. I installed the new one too high and had to adjust it later. The new shifter bolts up from the bottom, so we won't have to remove the sprocket cover to adjust it in the future. The tip can be removed with a 5mm hex. The tip can be installed in 6 different positions that will move its center in the direction of your choice. It will take a few test rides for the owner of this bike to figure out how he wants it adjusted, so I installed it in the standard position for now. And always remember to put thread locker on this bolt so it doesn't fall out. It probably wouldn't hurt to put some on the 8mm bolt too, but I don't think it's as likely to come loose because it's basically compressing a clamp that provides force against the bolt head. But I dropped out of engineering school, so don't get mad if I'm wrong. By the way, you can now support the channel by purchasing this awesome design available in a t-shirt, long sleeve, and a hoodie, and in a bunch of different colors as well. Check for a link in the description below. Now just reinstall the sprocket cover. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.